Our next performance for the night is by Kirti, a trained classical dancer in Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam who started her dance journey at the age of 5. Her guru is Srimati Vempati Nageshwari Garu, who comes from the renowned Vempati family of Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Kirti has given over 500 performances across India and she has won multiple national dance competitions and scholarship from Government of India. Today, she will be presenting a beautiful dance on Neela Megha Sarira Tarangam. It is a beautiful tarangam from the Krishna Leela Tarangini, composed by the great saint poet Sri Narayana Tirtha. The word tarangam means wave, symbolizing the rhythmic and lyrical flow of devotion. In this composition, the poet describes the divine beauty of Lord Krishna, whose complexion is like the dark, rain-filled cloud Neela Megha. The dancer expresses the devotion, grace and rhythmic excellence of the Kuchipudi style, blending expressive storytelling with dynamic footwork performed often upon a brass plate. This tarangam celebrates Krishna's divine charm, his leelas and the devotees longing to merge with the eternal bliss of the Lord. So, please put your hands together for Kirti.
long have you been practicing?
I'm performing after 15 years.
She's performing after 15 years.
Well, that was special. She did it only for us, so another big round of applause for her.
Can you, the thing with the ball, can you do tambulam? Can you do that with the heels? Just kidding. So what motivated you to try after 15 years?
I just wanted the kids to be, I wanted them to see what the dance form is actually, and I wanted to them to show that this is our culture and tradition so that they can learn and adapt.
Oh, that's an app for this Diwali. Thanks for showing us the tradition. Big round of applause.